Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to update your Galaxy A17 and all its versions. First, you need to go into the settings icon. Here, you'll scroll down to the software update option and tap on it. You'll tap on this option. Remember, your phone needs to have at least 30% battery, otherwise it won't let you update. Here it says that there are no updates available. If there were any updates available, a button to download the update would appear down here. And just to be clear, if you're waiting for a new update that just came out, be patient, because sometimes, depending on the country you live in, the update can take a few weeks to reach your phone, okay? And this phone, like all the others on the market, after several years of use, after several years since it was released, will stop receiving updates, just like any other electronic device. Okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I did help, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.